Hello, this is Valerie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I want to share with you the pictures that I made previously and the things that I made from the picture. So this is Sabrina. I put her in my craft fair, the last craft fair last year. She didn't sell, but that's okay. I continue to put her in there till she does, or put her on my Etsy shop. But this cute little lady, have a natural ball on the side with the colorful scarf, bright background, and dangle earrings. I think it's pretty cool. So, but I did get some items made for him as well. I got some stickers made and posters made from sticker meal. So let me go ahead and open them up. Put her to the side. Let's set her right here. What's she say? Okay. So first, let's do the stickers. I think they're like holographic stickers. So let's go ahead and open those up and see what it looks like. Very exciting. I never bought any holographic stickers before. I usually got the matte stickers. So let's see. It looks a lot like her or not. You get the little freebies. Well, this is actually a little sample of her. I'm not going to show you that yet. But, oh, you don't get the freebies this time. They just actually put stickers in there and nothing else. Okay. That's what it looks like. Boom. Holographic stickers. Those are pretty cool. Wow, this came out better than I thought it would. Let me open it up. It was actually 50 of them for what, $19? It's a pretty good deal. Open it up already. Holographic stickers of Sabrina. Wow, it's nice and colorful. See the bright light? Ooh, these are cool. May I get some other holographic stickers? That's little Miss Sabrina. Those are really nice. Looks just like the picture. Just like the picture, see? Not something else. Just like the picture. That is so cool. With more shiny. Okay, so let's put Sabrina to the side. And let's open up the poster and see what the poster looks like. Drum roll. Poster time. Let's see. Very excited. Can't remember the size of these posters. Did it show me the size of it? Oh, 17-inch posters. I don't want damages. Be careful. Alright. Let's see. Wow, that is so cool. Dang, that is really cool. Look at that. That's the posters of Sabrina. Wow, I'm not sure it's a 17-inch by. I'm not sure what, but I'll put in the description box below. That is so cool. Dang, it looks just like her. Let's get the painting again. Original painting, and then this is the poster. The poster, I think, is a little brighter. Can you see? So the painting and the posters at the top. That is so cool. Look at that. Sabrina. I think these would be really good in my craft fair next time. Original painting plus posters. I have my signature right there, Valerie Grimes 2023. Oh, nice texture. I think I'll get some more posters, some other artwork made. So we have the, move this out the way. We have the original painting, we have the posters, and we have the holographic sticker. That is pretty cool from my own personal artwork. That is so amazing. You can take your artwork and make it all different things. So it's a quick video. So I'm going to be having my posters and stickers on my Etsy shop, and I'm going to keep the picture for my craft fairs for sale. So please check it out and continue to watch me doing more designs of my artwork. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye.